that racing into action. It's Tung Tung Sahur, ready for a wild rescue. Picture this, a poor little dog trapped by a big goofy monster. The monster's stomping and growling, but our hero Tung Tung Sahur isn't scared one bit. With a flash of courage and a dash of clever thinking, he distracts the monster with his funniest dance moves. While the monster's busy boogieing, Tung Tung sneaks over and gently scoops up the pup. The crowd goes wild. The dog is safe, the monster is too busy learning new dance steps, and Tung Tung Sahur, he's already off to his next adventure. Remember, being brave means helping others, even if it means being a little bit silly. Would you dance like Tung Tung to save a friend? Let us know in the comments.